Check this out. Shakes is getting a drink all by herself. Isn't she super cute? She's a good girl. Here's Biscuit. Biscuit! And over there's Birdie. Birdie. Biscuit. They look really similar. I'm the only one who can tell them apart. And here's Punky. Punky Rooster. He's doing real good. He's certainly a rooster. We've got a lot of these Wyandottes. They're alright. They're kind of skittish. And here's Baby Orange. Sweetheart, can I pet you? No. She doesn't really like to be petted. She's an Americana. And Biscuit and Birdie are Rhode Island Whites. I think they found something.